Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the chiller door in a Maytag refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new chiller door. This chiller door is located at the bottom of the right side French door. It covers the chiller compartment. The main reason to replace the chiller door is if it's broken and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open the right side door. So this is our chiller door, and it's held in place by two hinges, one on the left, one on the right side. I'm going to use a putty knife, and I'm going to install it right in there in the seam and pry it out. Then I'm going to slide it out from the right side. This is the old chiller door next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So we're going to install the new chiller door. We got a couple of pins here, like hinges, and we got two openings on the sides. So we're going to insert this in and push it and place it in too. Right now, when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.